Let me show you how to use the weekly Medi-Spa facial kits. It's really easy. Just splash your face with warm water. Then, using step 1, apply the cleanser to your face and neck with your fingers using a gentle upward motion and then rinse with warm water. This will also remove any makeup you may have on. Then, using step 2, spray the toner on your fingers and pat the toner all over your face and neck. Then apply step 3, the exfoliation cream, all over the face, avoiding the immediate eye area and the neck. Don't rub it in completely, it should stay on the surface of the skin and appear white and creamy. Allow this product to completely dry, it should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, using the fingertips, gently roll away the product before rinsing the residue from the skin. Then, use step 4 to gently apply the mask to the face and neck. Avoid the eye area, use your fingers, use upward motion, and it may have a tingly feel, which is okay, it will subside. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Then, using warm water and sponges, remove the mask and then pat the skin dry with a towel. Step 5 is a serum. You're going to apply it to the entire face and neck with your fingers. Using upward motions, get a little closer to the eye area this time and leave this step on. Our final step is to apply the moisturizer to the entire face and neck. That's step 6. Use your fingers and again, omit the immediate eye area using upward strokes. Leave this step on as well and enjoy your new skin. The bonus step, which is to use the honey almond, is done the next evening for 3 days in a row. This should be used after cleansing the skin. Gently apply in a circular motion with fingertips and allow the scrub to stay on for 30 minutes. Then use warm water and sponges to remove it completely. The weekly Medi-Spa facial is available for all skin types. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.